what we'll be doing is let's take one by one and go ahead with it. Before I forget, the partner who is dead and the legal executive, they're going to come to you. They're going to ask you for all this money today itself. हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे मालूम है उसको कि देख भाई, we do not have liquidity as of now and we cannot pay you the whole amount today. So whatever amount is pending na bro, we are going to pay it to you. There is no second question कि I'm gonna eat your money. तेरा पैसा खाने वाली नहीं है मैं तेरे को पैसा दे देगी. But today it's not possible for me to pay. So all this amount will be paid to you at a future date. So till then you are transferring the amount to the loan account. At times you might give the interest also. As of now, just remember that we are going to transfer this amount into what account? Loan account. That's why we are not making the cash account. नहीं समझा? पक्का? Perfect. Too good. चलो, done with this. एक कहानी तो खत्म. Now we'll take step by step one thing and then go ahead. The very first one that we are focusing is our profit sharing ratio. Now you are well versed with the technique that we use for admission chapter. The same thing we are going to use for profit sharing ratio in the death chapter. What will be given? The very first one, case 1. There are only 2 cases. Remember that. I'll give you the shortcut. Huh? They are telling you the old ratio for A, B and C (1:1 and the new ratio, say for example A is no more, for B and C is 2:3. Okay, just random amounts. You do know how we used to do the calculation for profit sharing ratio in the admission chapter. In the exact same way I will be doing it here. So the solution would be, what are you asked to find out is the gain ratio, है ना? So old ratio, it is going to be 1:1. That is going to be 3, the denominator. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 1/3. The new ratio is 2:3. Is it 5? 2/5 and 3/5. I'll write it over here. So क्या हो गया? Okay. 1/3. Madam? 1/3. 2/5 and 3/5. This is my denominator. Now I'll multiply it. I'm getting the answer as 15. This is my common profit. The only change in this question and in this chapter will be, while you were doing admission chapter, the sacrificing ratio was found as old ratio minus new ratio, and in this chapter it will be ulta. It will be new ratio minus the old ratio. Do you understand this? And what you will be getting is the gain ratio. Chalo. So if A is dead, so can I say उसको तो कुछ पैसा मिलने वाला ही नहीं है ना? Earlier this profits was divided between A, B and C. 15 rupees. 1/3. चलो 15 का 1/3 करो तो कितना आंसर आएगा? 5 rupees है ना? And after A, this profit will be divided between only B and C as 2/5 and 3/5. So चलो इसका आंसर कैसे निकालोगे सर आप? 15 multiplied by 2/5, very good, 6, and 15 multiplied by 3/5, 9. So madam, you are trying to tell me that this is 6 and this is 9. So 1 and 4. So minus किया आपने? Earlier they were getting 5 rupees. Now they are getting So 1 is extra. Earlier they were getting 5. Now they are getting 9. So they are getting 4 extra. So now, bache, have a look at this magic now. This 1 and 4 is magic now. That's what it is. So when you do by my method, you do know that our answer is correct or no. Pakka baat hai? Do you understand this? Simple. So in the case 1 of the profit sharing ratio, it will be done in this way. First the denominator, multiply this common profit. Basically what I'm trying to tell you, मैं तो common profit बोल रहा हूँ, but this is actually LCM. मैंने mathematics को है ना अलग वे में बता दिया आपको, so that you don't make a mistake. Perfect.